Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize SEMrush Cloud SEO, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open SEMrush and log in to your account. Navigate to the project dashboard. Select the project you want to optimize for SEO. Go to the Site Audit section. Configure the crawl settings according to your website's requirements. Set the crawl scope and choose the subdomains if necessary. Click on the Start Audit button to initiate the scan. Once the audit is complete, review the overall health score. Examine the list of issues found during the audit. Prioritize the issues based on severity and potential impact. Address critical issues such as broken links and server errors first. Next, move to the On-Page SEO checker. Enter your main target keyword. Click on Get Recommendations to receive tailored suggestions. Implement the suggested changes on your website content. Now, head to the Position Tracking tool. Set up a new tracking campaign for your target keywords. Input your keywords and target location. Monitor your rankings regularly. Finalize by using the Traffic Analysis tool. Analyze your organic traffic sources and trends. Make adjustments to your SEO strategy based on this analysis. Daily monitor your progress and make necessary tweaks. Utilize SEMrush's reporting tools to generate PDF reports. Schedule regular audits and check-ins to ensure ongoing optimization. Review performance metrics at consistent intervals. Stay updated with SEMrush features for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.